Hey guys, it's Rheumatic back at it with another banger. And this one got some bad news. The Bronco windows are having an issue. Whenever I open only the passenger side, the windows come halfway down. Then when I close it, they go up. Can't figure out what's going on. I tried to Google a few things and I didn't find anything. So if you know the reason, please leave a comment. I got an appointment with the dealer. I don't really want to go up there, but I want this thing, A1. Maybe something wasn't set or something. I'm not sure. But I'll show you the issue. So I'm unlocking the Bronco. And then as soon as I pull this door, oops, the window goes halfway down. And same for the passenger. So it's like a weird quirky thing. At first I thought it was just the way the truck is, but the driver's side doesn't do it. Then when I close it, so I'll close it and it will go back up. It'll take a few seconds and it will go back up. Such a quirky thing, man. I don't know what's causing that, but my thing is, if it were to rain or we have bad weather out, like the window's going to go all the way down each time and come up, that water's going to come inside the truck or on side, on the passengers and stuff like that. So that's the one thing that I don't like about it. Let's go check the other side. So this is the driver's side, and I open it with no issues. No issues here. It just goes down. Well, actually, yep. Okay, so it just goes down. Oops, gotta make sure it's closed. And it comes right back up. Which is normal. That a lot of cars have that. They just come down a little bit to open the door, and then once you close the door, they seal themselves. We'll try this real one, and it does the same thing. So that was the driver's side. So I tried the thing where you hold down the window switch button for 5 seconds, and then you bring it back up for 5 seconds, hoping it will reset. And that didn't make a difference. I tried on each window switch, front passenger, front driver, rear, I did all four. And I'm still having the same issue. So not sure what's causing that. So if you have an idea, or maybe I missed something I'm supposed to do, or some options in the menu, please leave a comment below. So I'm new to this. I haven't really drove it much since the day I got it. I got it on the 27th of May, or the end of May, and really just drove it in one day and sort of parked it. So just let me know. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Spoomatic Cars. I just got this Bronco, and the flagship car is my GTR. So join the channel. I do some easy DIYs. Just an average guy, average Joe. Not a mechanic, but I'll dibble and dabble with a little DIY projects. So, yep, join the channel, and please hit that notification bell, so your views count and you can see my new videos coming out, and you'll keep up to date with all I have going on. I'm into racing, my GTR, and just got into the truck world. Got this Bronco because of my grandfather had one, and I have a Cummins, Dodge Cummins, that I'm getting into the diesel world a little bit. It's going to be my tow rig. And I also have a PT Cruiser with a SRT4 motor. That's a 2.4 liter turbocharged out of the SRT4 Neon. It's a pretty unique car. A lot of people don't know how fast it is. Okay, that's all. Short video. Just wanted to give you an update on some issues I'm having with the Bronco, and I'll post after I bring it to the dealer and they get it figured out, and I'll let you know what they had to do. All right, thank you. Bye.